Happy birthday, Dex! Kumusta ka na dyan?
Happy birthday, Uncle Dixie. More birthdays to celebrate and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dixie. Stay healthy and strong. More birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
To my nephew Dexter or Dixie, feliz cumpleaños contigo. Wishing you more blessings in life, stay healthy, and more birthdays to celebrate. Just count on your friends and not your age. Vaya con Diyos. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, my dear Dixie.
Okay.
Love ka namin, ang pamilya mo talaga. From the way, ang Aneta family.
Yes. Auntie Lilian, birthday greetings.
Happy birthday, Christy, and more blessing to come.
Wow! Thank you. And Tita, manaya ko dayo aray dayo niya.
Hi, happy birthday, Dexy. Be in good condition always, yes.
And then,
And have a long life, more
Very good.
birthdays to come.
very good. Ganun lang. Simple
Bigay ang
lang.
putanghon.
And Uncle Alvin. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to celebrate.
Okay.
Enjoy your life. Take care always your health and more power.
Happy birthday, Ate Gishy. Wish ko po. Happy buhay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Miss Dixie from Hello!
Happy birthday, Dixie.
Ano ba?
Happy birthday, Happy birthday. Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madam Dixie. We love you from Baby Salon.
Oh,
Happy birthday, Madam Dixie.
thank you. Anong wish nyo? Sabay ko.
Always beauty.
Yes. Thank you, Madam.
Sana po healthy, always healthy.
Mabait ka parati.
Happy birthday po, Miss Dixie Zobel. I wish for you po good health at enjoy your day po.
Hi, Dexy Sobel, si Donna Cariaga to. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Kamusta ka naman? Sana okay ka at sana happy ka bilang sisimulan mong panibagong year ng iyong buhay. God bless you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy 44th birthday, Dexy Sobel, my beautiful sister, brother. So, I wish you all the best in this life. I know you're very fabulous, very sweet, and I hope everything that your heart's desire will come true. I know you have everything already that you need. We are just here, me, Ferdinand, and baby Miguel. Baby Miguel, come here. Say happy birthday to Dexter.
Happy birthday!
Hello guys, it's me, your brother-in-law, Ferdinand Panganiban. Happy birthday, Dex.
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday, advance!
Yes.
Hello, happy birthday po Ma'am Dixie Sobel. Wish you all the best at sana magkita-kita na tayo.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday po.
Hi, happy birthday Ma'am Dixie Sobel.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Dixie Bobo.
Happy birthday, Mama Chup Chup.
Hi po, Miss Dixie Sobel. I'm Malia Ilana po, and I want to wish you a happy birthday. May all of your dreams come true, and I wish you all the best. God bless po.
Hi, this is Subel. This is Toy from Amamoto Vlog. Gusto lang itabati ng happy birthday. Good health and God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi, this is Precious and I want to greet Miss Dixie Sobel a happy birthday. Keep safe and enjoy.
Hi, ako po si Big Mac na Batang Quiapo. Dex Isabel, happy birthday. May have many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy, stay happy. At wish ko sa inyo is pabuhay ka lang. Ayaw niya na. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Dixie. I wish you all the best in life and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, ganda. Mwah.
Hi, Dixie Sobel. Happy birthday to you. More power and God bless you more. Sana magkita-kita tayo sa I love you.
Happy birthday, Dixie Sobel. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Dixie Sobel, maligayang araw sa iyo and enjoy your day. Love you.
Hello, Dixie Sobel. Happy birthday sa iyo. More power and may God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dixie Sobel. I hope you enjoy your birthday. I hope your day is full of love and happiness. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Dixie Sobel. Sana po mag-get tayo soon. Ingat po palagi. God bless.
Yo, what's up po? Para sa kaibigan at bata. Kaya ako ang tinatapos pala na happy birthday si Dixie Sobel. Happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-get sa palagi. Stay safe. At tulog din ang batang siya. Happy birthday.
Hi, Dixie Sobel. Ito si Happy Gay. Happy birthday. Dahil birthday mo kakantahan kita. Happy birthday. Ganon. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, mama.
Hi, Dixie Sobel. Happy birthday.
Hello, Dixie Sobel. Victor Silan here. Just wanted to greet you a happy birthday.
Hello, Dixie Sobel. Jonel Ramirez here. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
What's up, Dixie Sobel? Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best. Be good, be kind, be great, be yourself. This is Bob Go. Blessing it palagi. Bye-bye.
Hello, Dixie Sobel. Happy birthday po si Moito. Sana lagi ko mag-ingat. See you soon po. God bless you.
Hi Dixie, happy birthday. I'd like to say thank you for the friendship. Kahit sandali pa lang tayo nagkakakilala, but you constantly say hello and you constantly comment and you tag me all the time, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you also for the feature that you did for Cocina Estefania, and know that you have a friend in me. So I'm so happy for you, and I'd like to greet you the happiest birthday of all, and know that we appreciate you and God bless you. Stay happy, my friend. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dixie Sobel.
Hi, Dixie Sobel. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong araw at lagi ka mag-ingat. God bless you and more power, sir. I love you.